My name is Reilly, and I'm going to walk you through my web app, DiaBase. DiaBase is a dynamic log designed to help insulin-dependent diabetics manage their insulin intake by setting a reliable timer every time they administer insulin and tracking previous entries. It includes a Rails API backend with endpoints for users, entries, and insulins, and uses Postgres. The front end is written in JavaScript using React and Redux and has custom CSS styling. I created DiaBase because my partner, who is type 1 diabetic, has trouble remembering when and if she administered insulin. Insulin actively lowers your blood sugar for a set number of hours, depending on its type, so my partner typically sets a 3-hour timer on her phone when she administers a shot of short-acting insulin so that she's alerted when the insulin is finished acting. And for the long-acting 24-hour insulin, what's important is remembering whether or not you did it that day. So when you create an account on DiaBase, this is my partner's account, you go to Settings, and you input the name of your insulin and the duration for which it acts, and the app stores that information. So these are my partner's insulins. When you go to your home page, you see your individual logs for each of your insulins. And you can add entries to these logs by clicking a new entry form, which reveals a form with default information with the current date and time using the JavaScript date object using a Unix timestamp. You can change that date, you can change the type of insulin, you can add the blood sugar, number of units you administered, a note indicating why, or you can just add to log, and it adds a new entry to your log, which is tinted green to indicate its active status, and it adds a countdown in the sidebar to when the insulin will be finished acting. The countdown is displayed using the npm package react countdown now and is calculated based on the start time of the entry plus the duration of the insulin minus the current time. It's consistent and reliable with or without refreshing the page because of this calculation. Thank you for watching this video demo. I will create an updated video as I add more features to DiaBase.